about to just wash these fruits and put them in the fridge like that, so that each time I want to pick from it, I don't have to be picking from it again. This thing is very delicious. I could have at least just pick like 3 pieces of it.
Liam wanted my boob by
Liam, I've had enough already. Don't give Liam any more.
I don't know. That's nice. No, don't do it in your mouth. No, I do it not about it. I really want it. You. Do what you
Don't worry. Don't need any help. Get your hands off it. It's not for play. It's not for play.
Not help you. Yeah, that is mine. Why we do it? And brushing out by you.
Yes, you're watching out for him.
Four, 5 steps. Liam, I am busting out for you. Yeah. Mommy, we have to pass the date. Yeah. We have it. Yes. Hey, what is that?
Sorry.
Daddy's. A blue dot. No teeth one. And we tried at least that. Yeah, I did it. We're making duties, Mommy. Mommy, Dad?
Mm.
Yay! Bus! Daddy. Yes, it's not this one. Bobby, this is home. Hey, who is Bobby? Okay. Ah!
It's nice. Have you even tried it? You should try it. You don't like it? But you've not tried it, Aria. You should try it. It's very nice. Take. Just pick one and leave there, Richard.
What is open?
Richard! Can you pick one and leave there?
Bobby. This the small one.
There's this small one, but we need a new water to wash this. Let's not get new water. This don't need a soft washing, Aria.
Yes.
You need a soft washing.
Yes.
A very soft washing.
Yes.
A soft washing, Aria. Aria. No, leave it. It's a soft washing you need. Not too much. No, Aria, you break it. Hold on.
We don't pay it.
It's enough, okay. Let's pack it, is enough. We're done. Aria.
Wow.
Where is it? It's too small. No, yeah. It's too small.
What?
Let me have this one right here. Richard, Liam. Take your time. You go and put it here.
Which we should die now.
Put it here.
Stop!
So these are going to the fridge.